It's Rob Hardy here. If just wanted to find out if you're paying too much for advertising online. I do a lot of different advertising online. I use solo ads, I use Facebook of course. I just do organic traffic on Facebook as well. I try a bit on Instagram, not real good on those platforms, but my daughter helps me out there. She's a bit of a guru at that. And I think the biggest thing is now that the cost of advertising on these platforms, especially Facebook, is very expensive. And we all need to cut our costs and get the cheapest lead price and conversion price we can get. So I know for me, Facebook, I'll always advertise on it. It's very good at targeting and everything else. But what if I could show you a way where you could cut your advertising costs down and probably get more exposure, more leads, more conversions at a cheaper rate? And YouTube, with 1 billion users per day, that's a pretty big platform. We're not going to get in front of that many, but it's cheap. It's very cheap to advertise. So YouTube is where it's all at these days, and they reckon it's going to peak about 2021. So get in now while it's still cheap, and while there's so many leads and conversions to be had. And I think you'll be really happy you did. So click on the link on or around this video, and I'll see you on this side. Thanks very much.